Hello and welcome to Hawkins. This is the all-new Peugeot 108 van and it's exclusively manufactured by Hawkins. We have full approval to do so and it's classified as a commercial vehicle. We spotted there was a gap in the market for a small, compact, low-cost van, and the 108 van is the answer to that. So whether you're delivering small items around town centres or you want your employees to have the benefit of a commercial vehicle but a smaller vehicle, then the 108 van is perfect for you. We'll now show you a few of its key features. So if you like what you've seen and you'd like to find out more, visit our website hawkins.co.uk or visit one of our truck and van centres. They're open 7 days a week. We look forward to seeing you.